Thank you for coming to the corner today. And this is one of my more favorite things to do in the corner is a mail call. This is mail call number 12. I'm going to start out with a Christmas card that I got from Ian Y. Gath channel. And I know Ian well enough to know that he won't mind if I read his card to you all. We're all one big YouTube family. And it says, warm hearts, cozy home. You read much better with these on. Sweet togetherness. Dear Pappy and family, wishing you all the joys that come with a Christmas full of Jesus loving presents. And wishing you all the best for 2023. God bless, Ian. Thank you, Ian. I got a card from Ian last year, and I'm proud to be on Ian's card list, and I hope I remain there for years to come. And I have a sticker from Grombeardo. Y'all ought to check out Grombeardo's channel, especially if you're into biking, dirt biking, or Hondas, Honda Groms. The guy does some pretty cool, wild stuff with Honda Groms and other fun vehicles to ride. I'm going to be putting his sticker up on here, give him a shout out, and I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description of this video, right along with Ian Y. Gath. And I also I've had this for quite some time, and kind of got misplaced when I found it again. Heater just shut off. Thank you for that. You can probably hear me much better now. And this is from Grampie's workshop. He's up there in Canada, Stellarton, Nova Scotia. So let's see what Grampie has to say. I'll show you his stickers here in just a second. How's she going? He always opens with that one. You gotta love him for that. Thanks for reaching out to my channel, Roger. My mother calls me Roger. I think swapping stickers is a great way to get YouTube channels connected. And he's right. He's got my sticker. I sent it to him. I enjoy watching your channel and would love to have your sticker on my wall too. And it's there, it's on his wall. I've seen it several times. All the best, Mike Dickinson. I'll put the link to Grampie's workshop. He's got an awesome channel. He does an awful lot of outdoorsy type stuff up there in Nova Scotia. And here is his sticker, Grampie's workshop. Isn't that cool? I think that is an awesome sticker. It's going to look so good up on the board. And look at this one. Double applause for that. And you could probably even hear it over the heater. Anyway, hey, it's been a great mail call. And thank you for coming to the corner today to check out the mail call. And send me your stickers. We'll get you up on here with everybody else. And I'll send you my sticker. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace. There's Grombeardo, Grampie's workshop, and I've got him up here also, along with some of the other great channels that
it's a feel-good song.
a lot of them still support Pappy's Corner. Some of them gone by the wayside. Old Brad Ryder has passed away.